Welcome back, people. It's your boy Wheezy. Wagwan! Today we're gonna dive into the many health benefits that the papaya leaf has to offer. But let me firstly give a shout out to you for all your support. Trust me, it is much appreciated. The papaya fruit and leaves are rich in essential vitamins and minerals our body needs, like calcium, iron, magnesium, vitamins A, C, and E. You may extract all these rich nutrients by making a tea or juice. Have you ever tried this magic potion? What are you waiting on? Let me know in the comments below if you've tried the papaya juice. Benefit 1. It may be used to treat dengue. This powerful plant aids in increasing blood platelet count, which tends to drop significantly during the sickness, and helps to reduce the fever as well. So it definitely will help to boost your immune system. Benefit number 2. It also aids in digestion. It contains the enzyme papain that breaks down proteins quickly, so a glass a day can prevent issues such as constipation, bloating, and indigestion. Interesting, right? Benefit number 3. It also aids in the treatment of diabetes. Not only does papaya leaf extract lessen sweet cravings, but it also aids in maintaining blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol over time. Sounds good to me. Benefit number 4. It aids in the easing of menstrual pain. Ladies, I couldn't leave you out. These leaves contain a powerful enzyme called papain, which helps ease those pesky cramps by reducing the contractions of the uterus during your time of the month. Drink up, ladies. It's not as bad as it looks, you know. It has a bitter taste. Has more of a bitter, acquired taste, but it's not awful. So I guess you can add a little sweetener to it if you choose. Maybe a little honey or a little sugar to your liking. But as they always say, anything that is good for us never really tastes good. But it's something you can have on a daily. You don't have to drink it all in one go. Thanks again for tuning in, guys. If you enjoyed the video, if it was helpful in any way, please share, comment, and like. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Peace.